We'll guide you through how to add reverb in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to enhance their audio and make it sound more professional or cinematic. Adding reverb helps create depth and atmosphere, especially for voiceovers, music, or dramatic scenes. It is also useful for beginners who want simple ways to improve sound quality in their video projects. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access project options and file management tools. From the drop-down menu, select Import to bring your media into the project panel. Choose the media file you want to use. Then click Open to import it into the project so it becomes available for editing. Once the file is successfully imported, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create or place it in a sequence where you can begin editing your video and audio. For example, trim or cut the video and its audio first to compare as shown in the video, so you can clearly see the difference after applying the effect. Move the playhead according to your needs to find the exact position where you want to make the cut. Then select the razor tool to prepare for cutting the clip. Cut the timeline at the playhead position to split the clip into separate parts. This allows you to apply different effects to specific sections of the video. After that, press V on the keyboard to switch back to the selection tool so you can continue editing normally. Next, move the playhead to the beginning of the video again. Go to the Effects panel where all available effects are listed and organized. In the search bar, type Reverb to quickly find the reverb effects without scrolling through the entire list. Choose the reverb effect you want to use, for example Convolution Reverb, depending on the sound style you want to achieve. Then drag the effect onto the video clip. For example, apply it to the second part that you previously cut so you can compare the original and edited audio. This helps you clearly hear the difference between the sections. Press space or click the play button to preview the result and listen carefully to how the reverb effect changes the audio.